Salam ta, Tena Yusaling. This is your Wyndham RAS SAHAR AHAD TAFARI. This is another quick video. This is going to be super quick, right? So I'm sitting here, researching, looking through some things, and I was thinking about this blood moon that just came past, and what they tell us causes the blood moon. But I'm going to prove to you that it's not the earth or the atmosphere of the earth that makes the moon red. This is an effect, or it's an effect of the moon itself. Like the light, the moon gives its own light, and the reason why is it gives it in sections like that. That's the timing of it in the moon. That's how Elohim Buduku made it. And so this blood moon, these blood moons or whatever, a blood moon. First, I'm going to prove that the moon itself turns red, and it's not the atmosphere of the earth. Then I'm going to prove that it's not the earth that shadows the moon. So first thing first, does the atmosphere of the earth cause the moon to be red when the earth is in front of the sun and casting a shadow on the moon? And it says the atmosphere makes it turn red. But when you go over to just the regular moon, and this is supposed to be the shadow of the earth on the moon, right? So let me back up a little bit, y'all can see it. See how the shadow of the moon, the shadow of the earth is supposed to be that? So the first question is, why isn't it red? Why doesn't it appear red at this line? If the sun is shining through the atmosphere of the earth onto the moon. So that line would be red. We will always see some type of redness in the moon when it's in these stages, because it's supposed to be the earth that's casting the shadow on the moon. First thing. Second thing is, why don't you see the other half of the moon? Because here, if the earth is supposed to be fully in front of the sun, you shouldn't see the moon at all, right? But you do. But here, you don't. Because the sun is still supposed to be shining on the earth from 93 million miles away, I guess they say, right? But here you see the whole moon, and here you don't. You only see this part. That's the first thing. All right, the second thing. The third thing is, why is this line going this way? Why is it going that way? Shouldn't it be going this way? Shouldn't it be curved this way? If the earth is a ball, shouldn't it curve that way? Here, I did a little experiment. Welcome to science class. All right, so I do this little experiment, right? And this is supposed to be the sun up here. And this is supposed to be the earth, right? This is supposed to be the earth. Now look at the shadow that it casts on the so-called moon. Isn't it bent? Now how do we have a half moon that's completely straight? See that? So, first thing is the moon turns red itself. Second thing is, why isn't a half a moon or quarter moon, why isn't it red on that line, right? And why isn't that line curved like if it was a ball? So that's just a quick video, you know what I'm saying? Leading into the Shabbat, open them chakras a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So this is your Wyndham RAS SAHAR AHAD TAFARI. Leaving you in the name of the King of Kings, get him over Haile Selassie, Lion of Judah, Moa Ambessa Zim Negede Yehuda, and always in the name of our Master and Savior, Getachim and Hanatachim Yeshua, Hamoshia. Shalom.